Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News. I'm your host today. Audi, one of the world's leading automakers, is taking a major step towards expanding its electric vehicle production in the United States. The German company, a subsidiary of Volkswagen, has been considering several locations for a new plant that could produce some of its most popular electric models. According to Audi's chief financial officer Eugen Rittersberger, a decision on this project is expected within the year. He emphasized that the decision will be based on strategic considerations rather than being influenced by recent auto tariffs imposed by U.S. President Donald Trump. This means that Audi will be taking a close look at electric vehicles as a primary focus in the U.S. market, which is a growing trend. So, where could this new plant be located? Insiders are pointing to three possible sites: Volkswagen's existing Chattanooga plant in Tennessee, the new Scout brand facility under construction in South Carolina, or potentially a third separate site for the Q6 e-tron model. Audi currently imports its models from Europe and Mexico, but with this move, they could start producing some of their most popular electric vehicles locally. The potential benefits of this move are significant. Not only would it create jobs and stimulate local economies, but it would also help Audi to better serve its U.S. customers by reducing lead times and increasing availability of its models. Additionally, the U.S. is a critical market for electric vehicles, with many states investing heavily in clean energy initiatives and incentivizing consumers to buy eco-friendly cars. Audi's decision comes at an interesting time, given the company's recent financial performance. In the first quarter, Audi reported a 12.4% increase in revenue to €15.4 billion, with operating profit rising by €71 million to €537 million. This is a significant boost for the company, which had faced challenges last year due to engine shortages. As we wait to hear Audi's decision on this major project, it's clear that electric vehicles are set to play an increasingly important role in the U.S. market. With so much at stake, it will be interesting to see how this move unfolds and what impact it has on the automotive industry as a whole. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Electro Drive News.